is for the good old days, a trip down memory lane. So come on everybody, cause we gon' take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Cause we gon' take you back in the days.
I remember way back in the day when everything was way better. More jobs, more cheddar, cheap gas, more man's for the family to come together. Them good old days. Back in the field, they be kicking in spots. A blue place where the Usos be throwing up shots. If it's 6 o'clock, beside the Crystal Burger shop, reminiscing with the home, slapping bones, jamming all these them good old days. Now we been making our way down the market 80s, chilling with my Uso guts, grubbing on spaghetti. A big Uso giving us a lecture for the ladies. R.I.P. Bakers to my Uso bake, show 'em big punch. We know you're in a better place, cause right here ain't never been the same. Ain't never been the same. Man, the Usos in the ville straight chilling, reminiscing on the good old days.
This is for the good old days, a trip down memory lane. So come on everybody, cause we gon' take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Cause we gon' take you back in the days.
Allow those who sing style to take a walk down memory lane. A life full of both pleasure and pain. Been in the game for a minute and I'm taking you back to when we used to dip in vans and them broke down Cadillacs. Turf talking and I'm keeping it real. I grew up in the city of Marina, repping my steel. It's Fog Town to the fullest and I'm still representing the Bay. Central to Northern California, yeah, put me on that front line. I used to love it when we bust rhymes. Me and my cousins get at each other with them punchlines. A church goer with instincts like Balboa. Never knew my roots till I came home to Samoa. And now I'm sitting and reminiscing on good times. Kinship and Double H Usos connecting good rhymes. Taking you back to the good old days. So many memories making me say,
this is for the good old days, a trip down memory lane. So come on everybody, cause we gon' take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Take you back in the days. Cause we gon' take you back in the days.
Now let me enter your mind and take you way back to the times a young G was slowly thinking about a future in the music industry, wondering if me and R&B had a beautiful chemistry. Chilling with the Usos, harmonizing old jams and slow jams, acapella with stomps and hand claps. Just another kid on the streets with other destiny, big dreams with big C's, making the beat.
reminisce on life as I let my mind unwind in time. Cali raised with my folks, I ain't cousins and fine dimes. Marina living in that golden state. The Valuco Lucasi City back then, it was the 408. Mopping around with the Usos from the east side, from Monterey, Marina, Salinas, and Seaside. Loving the weather cause it's always full of new highs, blue skies and 80 degrees up in that sunshine. Man, I remember when we used to get the family together for barbecues, holidays, potlucks, or whatever. The Missy Icas, your Romans, and Vian Heights, Finenas and Hollisters in the building, so with nothing but love. Stripes get sewn up, but now we grown up. I'm reminiscing and missing, but still we show love. And if I had another chance, I'd be right back in 1982.
This is for the